Hi, this is CA Pragnesh Kanabar over here. So I hope that when you're looking at this video, I think you need some clarification on the options available with us for audit lectures. All right. And all of those questions, regarding amendments, changes, and all of that. I know that your mind is crowded with too many questions, but do not worry. I have the most sorted answer, at least for audit subject. All right. So I know this video is in simple English so that everyone can understand. And if you want to know more about me, why you should enroll with me, then in the description I have given all the details. You can hear from the students who have scored all India first in audit subject. All right, at CA final level, you can hear from the students who have scored 70 plus, 80 plus at CA inter level. All right, and you can ask for 1000 plus verified feedbacks. All right, that my team has, and they'll be very happy to share with you. Now, when it comes to audit lectures, so you may be either a CA final student because this general video, so and this will help you to answer all your questions. So you may be a CA final student, CA inter student, you may be looking for regular fast track, all right, or you may be looking for live lectures with recorded backup or only recorded lectures. You may be looking in English, all right, Hindi English ka aap shayad dhoond rahe ho, or English, all right, 100% English. First of all, we have all options that are available, but this video is to ensure that you make the right choice, okay, so that you are not confused at all. Now, for live lectures, if you're looking for live lectures, first thing is we have live face-to-face at Andheri, Mumbai. We have live Zoom live virtual, which goes simultaneously with face-to-face. Then all the lectures which are taken live are given as 100% recorded backup. I always encourage students to come live, all right, and attend the lectures, see the professor in full action, okay. But do not worry, if you're attending live, it's not like you don't get the recorded backup. You get 100% recorded backup, all right, for all the lectures that are taken live. But live lectures, obviously schedule keeps on changing, so I cannot just say it in this video. You can call this number 9313119022 or download our mobile app. Best, you download the mobile app and you can check the courses. You go to the courses section of the app and you can see that there are live lectures that are scheduled, all right, and you can enroll in any of the course. If you want to enroll for a batch which is going to happen after 3 months, 4 months or so, all right, which we have already given the details because my schedule is planned for about a couple of years in advance, all right, then you can pre-book with 1000 rupees also. That's fine, just to ensure that your seat is booked, because for face to face we don't take more than 50, for Zoom we don't take more than 100, okay. Now, if you're looking for recorded lectures, okay, now there are multiple options that are available with us. We have our mobile app. If you go inside that mobile app, R1, R2, R3, R4, you will see the recorded lectures. All of them are latest lectures, don't worry about it. I will talk about the updation and study material part later. So online streaming option is available. You download the mobile app, you take it from the mobile app, and you can see the videos in the mobile app. You can also see the videos on a browser, on laptop, desktop. All right, Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, those browsers, we will give you a link and that link will run over there. So whether you are on Android system or Mac system, there is no problem. All right. For offline download, there are many students who prefer offline download, like once we share the lectures on Google Drive and then they download it from there, then you have to play it in a dedicated player. That's Google Drive option, then pen drive which is couriered to your house. But I prefer that go with Google Drive options if you're looking for offline download. And then we have one Android app player also, which is a separate player to run the videos offline. But if you ask me, please go for this Google Drive offline download if you're looking for offline download. The best thing is go for the app, all right, because you get online streaming, so you don't have to carry the device everywhere from where you have taken the lectures, all right, and you can access it from multiple locations at office or when you're at home. And nowadays internet is at its best speed, so if you go with this, then it is better. All right, so even if you take it from mobile app, it will run on the app, Android iOS app, all right, and it will run on the laptop also. Just ensure that you take the app links from our website, that is www.auditacademy.com, so that you are on the right app. Okay, now I know that no matter whichever course you want to enroll for, all right, there are always some FAQs which need to be answered, frequently asked questions. First thing is about study material. I'll take this study material, amendments, changes, all of that in one answer itself. So, sir, our attempt is in May dash dash, November dash dash. Okay, so what to do? Listen to me. Whenever you are enrolling for live lectures, okay, we will tell you that, okay, this is the batch, this is the validity. For example, one batch, for example, if it has validity till November 25, then whatever are the changes, amendments, everything, all right, it will get covered. till November 25. After that, there are always public channels, you know, Telegram channel, YouTube channel, all those options are always there, correct? But this is how it runs. Okay, so you will be given a validity. Till that validity, whatever, you know, till the last day of that validity, whatever are the amendments, changes, everything will be covered when you are enrolled for the live lectures. For recorded lectures, it is up to you. Now, for CA Inter, we give an option of 3 months, 6 months, 9 months, 12 months. For CA Final, we give the option of 6 months, 12 months, 18 months, 24 months. All right. So, you have to ensure that you are selecting the option which covers your attempt. For example, if I'm buying lectures in June 2023 and if my attempt is in May 2025, then I should buy, if I'm going for recorded lectures, then I should buy the lectures with a validity of 24 months. Right? Then in that case, you are completely secured. Now, whenever you are buying the lectures, as on that date, whatever is the updated study material will be sent to you. After that, whatever are the amendments and changes which come up, we are going to share the soft copy with you. All right. Or there is always an option that later on we can work out on one-on-one discussion. If you want to go for hard copies at whatever cost it is, all right, you can take it. Otherwise, soft copies of the amendments changes will be shared with you. We are very well sorted when it comes to these things, because we always keep a track of the students in which attempt they are, what they are doing, and all of that. Okay, we are going to have these attempt specific groups. You are going to join those groups, and for that particular attempt, whatever is the study material, all right, that amended material will be shared with you. So don't worry about it at all. Okay, but you cannot just stop your studies based upon thinking about these amendments, changes, and stuff. Doubt solving support, I have my WhatsApp doubt solving number, but let me tell you, my USP is that I take Zoom sessions on regular basis. It could be twice in a week, thrice in a week. When the exams are near, it could be daily doubt solving sessions also. So you can come live on that Zoom session and get your doubts cleared, because that is where students feel more comfortable. All right. Test series. So whatever are the lectures, normally in regular course lectures, we do share a test series. Even on fast track lectures, if the students want it, we share it with them. But in regular course lectures, what happens is that in the test series, when it comes to the evaluation part, you can discuss your answers with me, you can get it evaluated. For fast track, you can join one of the doubt solving sessions and get it evaluated. Otherwise, you have to self-evaluate. But for self-evaluate, don't worry, for each point, how much marks you get and all of that, I have covered in the test series suggested answers also, that if you write this point, you get 1 mark, you write this point, you get 0.5 mark, and all of that. Okay, but I am so much available live for the students that you can join any Zoom session or, you know, on WhatsApp, and we can always discuss your answers and stuff. Don't worry about it. I'm connected with the students at the ground level. Last day revision summaries, we have our Telegram group, YouTube channels. All right, so you can always join that. Even if you're not buying the lectures, you can join that, and you are going to get complete support of last day revision and summaries over there. Thousands and thousands, I should say lakhs of students, all right, have taken that support. Why should we trust the Audit Academy and Pragnesh sir? I think many students are aware about my achievements, but still, all right, how I deal with the students, all the feedbacks and stuff, you can go through the description of this particular YouTube video, and you are going to get that. All right. So this is a very general video. If there is any doubt, I told you, just get in touch with this number, and my student executives will be very happy to solve your queries. All right, or you can just write it to us Gmail. All the links are there in the description, but I'm just writing it over here so that, you know, it is more visible. The Audit Academy @gmail.com. You can send your queries over here, or you can just go to the website theauditacademy.com and see the forms that are filled up over there. All right, and you can just see from those forms. I mean, you can just fill up the forms over there, and you can take the consultancy from us. All right. Thank you so much. All the best. Whether you join us or not, you have seen this video, I'm happy for that, and I really want you to score an exemption in audit and clear your chartered accountancy exams. All the very best, beta.